Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve the problem minimax sum on HackerRank. Let's understand the problem statement. We have been given 5 positive integers and we have to find the minimum and maximum sum of the values which are calculated by adding exactly 4 of the 5 integers. So that means we will be taking only 4 values out of 5 and we will calculate the sum and thus getting the minimum and the maximum value. Let's have a look at the example. In this, we have been given 5 elements in ARR. If you look at the minimum sum, the largest element of the array is excluded and we get 16. To get the maximum value, we have excluded the element at 0th index, which is minimum, and we get the answer as 64. The output is printed in this way, where the minimum and maximum values are separated by space. We have to complete the function definition of minimax sum, which accepts an array of 5 integers. The constraints mentioned for this problem is that we have to make sure that the elements are greater than equal to 1 and they can go till 10 raised to power 9. So that's actually going to be a very big value. The explanation mentioned for this question is here, where you can see at every step one number is excluded to get the sum of only 4 values of the array. Let's start solving this question on editor window. First, I'm going to define a variable sum so that I can hold the sum of all the array elements. I've taken this variable sum as unsigned long. The reason is that the array elements can go till 10 raised to 9, so definitely sum will be holding a very big value. Now first, I'll be sorting the array. By sorting the elements in ascending order, at 0th index I'll get the minimum value and at the last index I'll get the largest value of the array. So if I subtract the minimum from the sum, then I'll be getting the maximum sum of the 4 elements of the array. Let's see how this will work. So this is the sort function of C++ and this requires 2 parameters, where I am sending arr.begin and then arr.end. This will sort the array in ascending order. Once the array is sorted, next I will calculate the sum of all the array elements. And the loop starts from 0 and goes till 4 because we have 5 elements in our array. This statement will calculate the sum of all the array elements. Now my array is already sorted, and if I subtract ARR of 0 from the sum, I will get the maximum sum of the 4 elements of the array, and if I subtract ARR of 4, this will give me the minimum sum of the 4 elements of the array. So let's print this. Let's run the code. You can see the code has passed these test cases. Let's submit it to check for the rest of the test cases. So this is how you can solve the minimax sum problem. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep working with smile.